Welcome to Word of the Day. Today's word is altruism. Altruism is the fact of caring about the needs and happiness of other people more than your own. Altruism is the principle and moral practice of concern for happiness of other human beings or other animals, resulting in a quality of life both material and spiritual. It is unselfish concern for or devotion to the well-being or welfare of other people. For example, politicians are not necessarily motivated by pure altruism. Hira has chosen to work with vulnerable elderly people out of altruism. Bill Gates is known for his altruism. Every year he donates 50% of his income to charity. Just give it a thought and let us know in the comments, are you altruistic? There is no exercise better for heart than reaching down and lifting people up. And this was Word of the Day. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.